Caro, aka Moon Coach here from tarotmysteryschool.com. I have just received my pre-orders for all of my tarot friends, allies, and I will be shipping these no later than Monday, as I need to find the right box. This is much bigger than I had anticipated. So I have taken the seal off of my personal copy, and as you can see, in comparing it to my hand, this is quite beautiful, quite large. This is the Starman Tarot Limited Edition kit, of which there are only 1,500 copies in the United States. The other 1,500 copies are being sold worldwide through Italy. And that means this deck is going to be going OOP very quick, being especially that it is a David D'Angeli's creation based on David Bowie as an archetypal energy. So here we go. Opened up the box, like I said, very big. Beautiful design. Very sturdy, every last aspect of it. So here we have this lovely little string to hold it in. The cards in the limited edition are larger than the standard edition and has extras than the standard. The standard edition is, let me think, I think it's in the range of $37, and this particular limited edition is $100 retail. Oh yeah, and the bags, they're in the plastic case. I haven't removed it for the video. However, they feel very silky soft. They're absolutely stunning and very colorful, as you can see. So underneath the card, we find the limited edition copy number, and it says my copy is number 476 out of 3,000 by Lo Scarabeo, of course. And then we continue. Let's see what's in here. We have the Starman Tarot, the story of a vision. Oh, beautiful. Silver, of course. Oh my God, this is just spectacular. Metallic, showing aspects of the artwork by David D'Angeli's. Absolutely gorgeous. So this isn't, whoa, look at these colors. Oh my God. I can't even concentrate on what I'm saying. But this is one of the extras that's in this deck, this kit I should say, that is not part of the standard. And then it has this beautiful hardcover book, all in metallic lettering. Let's see what's in here. Table of contents. Beautiful, beautiful quality. And let's see if I skip ahead to here we go. The Sacred Clown for the Fool. And quite a substantial bit of information per card. Let's skip ahead to the court cards. Yeah. Oops, let's make sure that it's somehow clear. So anyways, the book is absolutely gorgeous. Will be fun to read. I am in charge of my destiny. I'd like to get this clear so you can see it on the recording, but I'm not really capturing it. So the Nine of Pentacles. I am in charge of my destiny. So there you go with that. I will put that back. Where's the deck? So I don't know how I'm going to do this. I probably should have opened it up. Let's see. I'm afraid to use a scissor. But I must. Bear with me. I'm not one of you guys that do these professional unpacking videos. This is me just having some fun sharing through my small business whenever a special deck comes out, like I did with the Santa Muerte Tarot, which has become OOP. There we go. Excuse me. One of these days I will, in fact, do review videos, given the massive collection that I have. But there's so many wonderful ones of you that already do that, so it might not be necessary. Okay, so the Sacred Clown. Of course, the Starman being David Bowie, the Magician, the High Priestess. As you can see, these are really colorful, very bright. My God. Yeah, back in my interior design days, fabric was my specialty. And obviously this image, her skirt is a satin silk brocade. There we go. So, anyways, just to give you a little example, a little taste of what it is, I have already pre-sold my decks. I only ordered enough for the people that pre-ordered with me, and I ordered 2 extra decks, of which there's only 1 left. So of all of these you see here, I have only 1 left available for sale. So if you do want a copy, then please let me know. I will see if I can still grab a few more decks to sell to clients. But there is only 1 left in my possession that I received just minutes ago. So one of you claim it real quick, and then I will see if any of the rest of you want to place orders with me, if I can get more from my distributor. Thank you so much. This is Sylvia Pencaro, Moon Coach. May as well give you my website, www.mooncoach.com, also lunarjourney.com, which is where I have the page set up to sell the Starman, and my main tarot website is tarotmysteryschool.com. I hope you enjoyed this because I'm very excited. We've all been waiting for this deck for, I don't know, probably about a year or so. So, like I said, those of you that have ordered these, and whoever the lucky 14th person is, I just expect me to send out the decks between Saturday and Monday at latest. And so you will have your wonderful copy sometime next week, as these will be going out priority. But yeah, because these are so large, they are not going to fit in the box that I had charged y'all for. I had no clue that they would be so big. But yeah, aren't they freaking awesome? They really are beautiful. Just beautiful craftsmanship, as is to be expected from my peeps in Italy. Yeah, awesome. Sylvia, signing out. Arrivederci.